So you would have read the title of this video and you know exactly what it's about. So here is my Dyson Airwrap Dupe. Basically, I did want a Dyson Airwrap, but they are out of stock everywhere and they're just really expensive. Like, I don't think I can justify spending like £400. So I found this dupe on AliExpress. It was like £60, so that's literally like a fraction of the price of a Dyson Airwrap. So I just thought, it's literally so similar as well. Like, I will show you exactly how similar this looks. So like, it comes in its nice little carry case, and let me actually show you how similar this looks to the Dyson Airwrap. You get like loads of different attachments as well. This is like the main holdy bit, and you put all of the attachments in there, and then we get two curling attachments, and they have the arrows on, so it shows you like which way your hair wraps around, so like one for either side of your head. And then you have like a dryer sort of one, this like brush, and like a volumizing brush as well. This is kind of like a hot air like styler, and you get like that brush that goes in there as well to give you a bit of volume, you know. But I have not actually used this properly yet. I've used this attachment to dry my hair and this attachment to like kind of straighten it out a bit. I've only done like one tiny little curl in my hair with it because I just wanted to see, because I just wanted to try it out, but I've not done like my full head in it yet. But about an hour ago I washed my hair and I've just kind of left it to dry naturally, and it's dried pretty fast actually, but like it's still like damp, so I think it's like still damp enough to use like the wrap. So I just thought in this video I'm gonna literally give this a try and tell you guys if it's worth it, because if you have been looking for a Dyson Airwrap, or like you don't want to spend as much as a Dyson Airwrap, I'm gonna tell you if this is just as good, and you can see from this video what it makes my hair look like. I have heard that the Dyson Airwraps and like stuff like this is like quite hard to use like for the first time, so I'm just gonna kind of get used to it, and this video might be chaotic and my hair might look dreadful, but we're just gonna dry it out. I just need to like work out what way I'm going first. I want to do this side of my hair first. They have like these, I don't know if you can see, like these tiny little arrows on the top that would curl my hair outwards, I believe. Is you just like push the attachment in and then twist it in place so that it doesn't come out, and then you can just use like this button to get it out again. Right, so this is it. I'm gonna plug it in and we're gonna do it. You have like 3 heat settings as well. You've got like 1, 2 and 3. The thing that this doesn't have is like a cool setting. I'm gonna use like quite small bits of hair. I'm gonna put you on this angle so I can like use my mirror here. Let's just go for it, shall we? I'm just going to turn it off and like, what's this curl look like? Does it work? Oh, that's cute. Okay, that worked really well. Let's do another one, shall we? It literally does what that Airwrap does, like it wraps the hair around itself. It's really good. These are like really cute little curls. I need to do like this random little bit of hair. Okay, but this is what we've got so far, like 2 little curls. This is on like the really short bit of my hair anyway, so it might work better on like these bits. I feel like you have to leave your hair on like for a good amount of time on the actual thing, otherwise I feel like it might not curl, because it's just using like hot air, isn't it? But yeah, it actually creates like really nice smooth curls. Like the curls aren't frizzy, they're like really smooth curls, and it's also like drying my hair at the same time because my hair's still damp. These are really nice curls. It's working really well. I'm just gonna like get on with the rest of my hair now, and I'll just keep checking in. These curls are like honestly so smooth and bouncy. This is really good. Like I wasn't expecting this to be this good, to be honest, because like obviously like it's literally a fraction of the price of a Dyson Airwrap. Technically like a knockoff Dyson Airwrap, but it's actually performing really well. So I finished this one side and look at my hair. It's given me like the most gorgeous like frizzless curls, and there's so much volume in my hair and it's so bouncy. Like look at the difference. This side of my hair is so flat, and like I've just got so much volume, and they're so bouncy, and there literally is not an ounce of frizz in these curls either. They're literally so sleek and so smooth. I need to change this now, but it's pretty hot. I'm just gonna like, there we go. It's not like burning hot, but it was quite warm. I'm just changing it to the other way now so that my hair wraps around that way instead of the same way. So I'm like halfway through my second side as well, and I feel like I'm getting a lot more used to it. I found the start of this side a lot harder because like it wasn't like my dominant sort of side, but I'm just going to show you like the best way I find, like if you're struggling to wrap the hair around, I'm going to show you like the easiest way to kind of wrap it all round. I just sort of like start at the ends and pull it out so that all the ends can wrap around, and then I like wrap it in. So like I have it here and I pull it out to here, like where the ends of my hair end, so it wraps itself around the ends, and then pull it in. Like that's the easiest way that I've found. I just kind of like to wrap the curl around my finger just to give it its shape. And that was my last curl. When they come out like all big like this, what I do is I just literally run my hands through them and kind of reshape the curl, and then it reshapes itself. This side is a lot fresher than that side. This side's dropped a lot. I think they probably drop like quite fast. It's probably just because I've literally washed my hair today as well, so that's why they've dropped even faster, because my hair's like really soft. But look at the volume and just everything that it gives my hair. Like I just redid this one to kind of like try and even them up a bit, but I think they do drop out a little bit faster, but that's probably because like it doesn't have the cool setting like the Dyson one. These curls are so nice. They're like not frizzy curls, they're so sleek and so smooth. This was definitely worth the money. I'm literally obsessed with the results from this. I think they're probably going to be like one day sort of curls, but like the volume and just like niceness it gives to my hair, like you saw how flat my hair was before. This was so good. I did not expect it to perform how it has, but it was so easy to use, and like you get like all the other attachments as well, so you can literally like dry your hair with it. You can use it like to like brush your straighteny brush your hair, and like you can also use this one to give like a lot of volume. But wow, I am impressed to say the least. So I will leave the link to this product in the description, and yeah, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I definitely have. I'm shocked, but yeah, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.